My name is Seng Khum. I'm from Kachin State, from Vietnam. Yeah. My village name is Malaya. We call Malaya. Other name is Japu. The local people call Japu, but the authority and the government call Malaya. Malaya is uh, one 1 mile, around 1 mile. Some people they do how to call they go they do walk to China, and almost people they do agriculture, farming and cultivation like that. Almost farmer they grow paddy, and uh, in the rainy season they grow paddy, and after rainy season they grow other vegetable or like corn and bean like that. Yeah, because I'm decided to come here. I I w- I I would like to learn, improve my agriculture knowledge, and also if I get a lot of knowledge, I will share in my community. Yes, right now I already write a proposal. Uh, After when I come back my village, uh, I will do my project. Uh, uh, this kind of projects help community and people. The project is, I think, very suitable for my community. Oh yes, agriculture projects. Yeah, yeah. I I learn a lot of um, knowledge in here. When I will come back home, I will share my knowledge of things like compost making and EM also uh, uh, and other a lot of human rights or community development or writing proposal and also computer business computer like that.